we're putting a jawbreaker, as you can see, in a microwave for 40 seconds. My assistant's going to close it. It's closed. Hit the enter. This may explode. Oh, you're changing it to,
minute 30.
Minute 30.
Minute 30. That's going to be nice. Oh, God.
Okay, let's back up.
It's gonna... One more token.
Okay, yeah, so, I'm going to back away. Start moving around. I'm kind of afraid my microwave's going to blow up.
Huh? What?
I'm very afraid of my microwave blowing up. You can see the, jawbreaker? Oh, Jesus, please don't blow up. We're about at 40 seconds right now. I don't see any explosions.
What's it made out of? Glass.
Hey, oh, that's plastic. Oh, snap. Please don't move. Okay, so we're at, 25 seconds and then nothing's going on. So, this is not exploding yet. It's very boring. Hey, no, come on, get away. It explodes, so I'm gonna laugh. 2, 1. Okay. Bit of disappointment. Let's put it in for another 30.
3 minutes.
Okay, we apologize. I mean, this is another minute. Holy crap. I'm kind of scared. I'm kind of dressed in my Vietnam era helmet, and I kind of have a life jacket on to access black jacket. If you don't know what that is, kind of look it up on the internet. And yeah, and we're playing Black Ops 2, which comes out in 11 more days. It's gonna be totally beast mode. That's definitely not an advertisement. Okay, so let's get closer. I've got my courage. It's going. It's not blowing up. It's at about 30 seconds now. 30 is about right now. Still not exploding.
If it explodes.
Oh, I see it starting. There's some kind of dimples in it. You can't see it through the poor phone quality, but it's starting. It's gonna blow soon.
If it explodes, I'm happy.
Yeah, it's definitely gonna explode soon.
I don't think it's gonna explode. It might.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Please.
Let me just look at it.
Oh, that's it.
Minute 30.
Here's what it looks like right now. Can I see? We're gonna put it in for another
Minute 30.
Minute 30. Sorry for the long video, but it may we're pretty sure it's gonna blow up. Pretty dang sure.
Hey, what's mythbusters? Simple crap.
Yeah, as we said before, Mythbusters have done this. Subscribing wouldn't be bad. I don't have that many subscribers.
That's me, buddy. That's me.
I have 2. So subscribing and you.
You have 2 of me.
Yeah. But anyway, subscribing wouldn't hurt. If you like the video, just hit the like button down below. Dislike it. Well, haters be hating. Okay, this is starting to it's starting to flatten out.
Oh god, it didn't explode.
It's not exploding. So
apparently every type of candy.
myth busted. That doesn't explode.